Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can create an event in the Google Calendar. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to Google Calendar and then click on the first link. So here to create an event, you want to click on the date that you want to create. Let's say you have a dinner on May the 6th. You want to click on this and then you want to make sure it is on the event, not the task. So let's put dinner at 7 p.m. and then hit save. It will show you that the event at 7 p.m. is created. You can always set the notification for the event, or if you don't want to, you can always hit ask me later. And that is how you can create an event in a calendar. Thank you.